Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood. Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and you're watching WhatsApp Bollywood. Sushant Singh Rajput's father has accused Rhea Chakravarti for arrogating 15 crores, after which ED is asking questions to Rhea regarding money laundering case. ED asked few questions that Rhea did not have answers to. Watch this video to know more details. The biggest question is, how did she buy more properties than she was earning? In the financial year 2018 and 19, Rhea has shown an income of rupees 18 lakhs in ITR. To note, Rhea has bought 3 crore properties in last 2 years. One of them is 1 BHK flat in Khar, whose market price is about 1 crore rupees. The second property is in Juhu, which is worth 1.5 crores. While the third property is in Ulva, Navi Mumbai, which is worth 50 lakh rupees. ED sources says that Rhea Chakravarti's father bought a flat in Navi Mumbai in 2011. This is also the biggest point for inquiry. The two companies of Sushant Singh have been registered in the name of this flat bought by Rhea's father Indrajit Chakravarti, while its IP address has been changed about 17 times. ED is now investigating the same thing. There is also a difference between the statement of Rhea and her chartered accountant. After all, what is the reason for changing company's IP address 3 times after Sushant's death? How did Shouvik Chakravarti own the companies that Sushant has registered with his capital? ED had asked some similar questions to Rhea, but she didn't have any answers. ED had also asked Rhea for documents and proofs of her expenses. Rhea, her brother Shouvik, father Indrajit, Rhea's manager Shruti and Rhea's chartered accountant Ritesh Shah are being questioned by the ED about money transactions, flats, properties and withdrawals from the bank. According to news reports, the ED suspected that the money transferred from Sushant's account was done through the fake shell company. The ED has asked Rhea to show the record of 5 years income tax along with her property papers. Well, the question is that if Rhea has bought these properties with her own money, why she could not tell about her expenses to ED? Why she was hesitated when ED was asking her questions? Well, we hope that ED reaches to the bottom of these questions. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.